questions, we will go for the check presentation outside.
This is not the first time that AFL has performed with this high level of profitability and discipline in terms of expenditure within the entity. We are happy to say that 2015 accounts, AFL got a 46 million profit before tax. This came in with a very strong level of revenue, growth in revenue, while with a combination of a drop in expenditure, overall expenditure of the company, even by 1%. So overall, we see the trend of profit after tax for the company growing steadily and very strong in the past few years. As I mentioned, this is not the first time AFL is. We want to announce this high level of performance. It's a benchmark for, as I mentioned to the executive chair some time back. AFL has been a benchmark for our state-owned enterprises. We continue to highlight to the media and well as we promote within government the model of maintaining discipline in expenditure and in the control of the entities. Overall, government aims to increase efficiency, profitability, and for the entities to provide enough return that goes back to government and to the overall to the population, people of Fiji. Without further details, we will allow the executive chair to provide further information on that.
The total amount that will be declared as dividends is $30 million, $30 million. The amount for 2015 as final dividends is $10.7 million. In July of last year, we had made an interim dividend payment of $7.5 million. So the $7.5 million interim dividend for 2015 plus the $10.7 million final dividend for 2015 being declared today brings the total for 2015 to $18.2 million. And we are further declaring interim dividends for 2016 in the sum of $19.3 million. So final dividend for 2015 plus of $10.7 million plus interim dividend for 2016 of $19.3 million is a total of $30 million that we are declaring in dividends today. It's worth noting that the total dividends declared in 2015 was $18.2 million, and the interim dividend for 2016, $19.3 million, is higher than the final dividends of 2015. So it underlies the significant ongoing improvement in our performance in terms of our financiers, in terms of our cash flow position, that has allowed us to declare the significant amounts, record amounts in dividends today.